In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly present PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're gearing up for an important meeting or conducting an online class, having your slides ready to go is essential. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to sign into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch your Teams application or open it in your preferred web browser. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign in option. Simply follow the prompts and enter your credentials. This step lays the groundwork for accessing all the features Teams has to offer, including our focus today, screen sharing. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right of your screen. You should be seeing a video icon. Click on this icon. This action will open up your options to set up a meeting. We're getting closer to sharing those slides, so hang in there. Clicking the video icon is crucial because it's the gateway to starting a meeting and sharing your screen. Next, you'll see an option to start meeting. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll create a session that others can join or that you'll use to present to your audience. Even if your audience is just practicing your presentation skills, starting a meeting is an absolute must for enabling screen sharing. And hey, practice makes perfect, right? Now that your meeting is live, take your mouse over to the control panel. You'll find it hovering around the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Share. Click this button. This is where the magic happens because sharing is caring, especially when it comes to presentations. After clicking the Share button, you'll be presented with several options. Look for the option that reads Screen, Window, or Tab. Deciding between these options depends on what you aim to share. For seamless PowerPoint presentations, many find choosing screen to provide the most flexibility. By sharing your entire screen, you can easily cycle between different windows and applications that you may need during your presentation. Now let's fine-tune that a bit. After selecting to share your entire screen, you'll see your open applications. Click to select your PowerPoint slides. Make sure they are open and ready before starting your meeting, so this step is quick and smooth. Once you've clicked your PowerPoint presentation, you should see it pop up on the shared screen. And there you have it. You're now ready to deliver your presentation to your audience right from Microsoft Teams with your PowerPoint slides seamlessly integrated. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make the process even smoother when it's showtime. Happy presenting!